Okay guys, I got my 3 lobsters as you can see. 1, 2, 3. 3 lobsters for 40 bucks. Oh, you can't beat this. I'm gonna absolutely be in love in a few minutes. So I'll talk to you after I eat, okay? Alright. Okay, so why don't I turn this into a food review? Why not? Okay? Alright, and you see the scenery where you're eating at. We're eating out on a deck, okay, around all the water. It is just absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you, you can see the boats and everything from here. How about that, huh? Okay, I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay guys, I already ate one. Delicious, delicious. So I want to show you what they did. So this place, they cracked the claw for you, okay? So that you can just break it without a problem. You don't need a nut cracker or anything like that. Alright, so for those who maybe don't know how to get the meat out of a lobster, let me show you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is break off the tail. This is the tail. Now, all the brown stuff you see here, that is not something you want to eat. It's caca. Okay? Okay. So, let me show you. Don't eat that. So, you're going to take and kind of just shake that off. Or break it off if you have to. Okay, you're not going to get it all off, but at least try to get as much as you can. It's part of the lobster, guys. So now this is the tail. You're going to break it in half like this, squeezing it together like this. And then you're going to twist this way and this hand this way. Okay, here we go. Alright, once you have broken the tail shell, you can try to pull it out by twisting it. So this is what you come out with at the end. We're going to take the other side off. Okay, and now the tail is free. Now what I do is I take and bend this part back here. Alright, and you see this brown line? That's caca. You want to take that out. Okay, and that's about good as you're going to get it in a restaurant, okay? And so the same thing here if you see any here. Okay, here's a piece here. We're going to just pull that out. Like that. Make sure you get it all. There we go, okay? Then we're going to dip that in butter and eat it. Break it off little pieces and dip it in the butter and eat it. So I'm going to eat this and I'll be back.
Yes, we do. Yep, back. We're going to grab it.
Okay, so I just finished with the tail. So now, this is called a claw, okay? And so the claw, they already cracked it for you right here. Nice restaurant, right? So you're gonna break this part here off. Oh, usually it breaks off at this joint right here. So you break that part off, and you gotta dig the meat out of here all the way down, okay? And then the claw, you just take this rubber band off. Usually it comes with the rubber band. And then you got to take and dig the meat out of here. Usually you would have a stainless steel mechanism to dig it out, but here they gave us a wooden one. That's the throwaway one. So you got to keep digging until you get the meat all out of here. It's a lot better if you have like a metal little fork or something. Okay, so you see, it's out, okay? So that's how you eat the claw, all right? Okay, so I'm gonna eat this and then I'll be back. Thank you. Okay guys, they're pushing in some fresh seafood right now off a truck that is pulling in right here, you see? Oh, oysters, wow, nice. This is great. All right. Guys, look at the size of these lobsters they have.
太收了。
Wow. And look at that.
哪只是你的？
Unbelievable.
这只是你的吗？
Now you're going to be able to eat all that?
Yeah, already.
Okay. Well, thank you for letting me tape it.
I saw Sarah yesterday. 那问题来了。
Okay, guys. I ate all three, and that was absolutely delicious. They did not disappoint. What a great, great place. You got to check it out. If you ever get to Massachusetts, come to Rockport Beach. In Rockport, Mass. You will be in heaven. And please come get this lobster, okay? I am full. Okay, we're going to continue on now. Thanks. Okay, guys, Roy Moore lobster was the best. Okay, I'm going to leave here now. I'm going to see what else I can find. All right.